Tropical Depression K. Rubin na panatili ang lakas habang nasa katubigan sa silangan ng Mindanao. Nakataas ngayon ang Signal Number 1 sa Davao Oriental. Asahan na ang malalakas na pag-ulan at bagyo ng hangin sa bahagi ng Mindanao. Ang bagyong K. Rubin ay huling namataan sa layong 205 kilometro ng east of Tagum, Davao del Norte. Ito may lakas na aabot sa 45 kilometers per hour. At may bagyo na aabot sa 55 kilometers per hour. Kumikilos ito papuntang northeast sa bilis na 10 kilometers per hour. Asahan na ang malalakas na pag-ulan partikular sa Visayas at Mindanao. Mindanao Heavy Rainfall Warning. Weather System, Tropical Depression, TD. Yellow Warning, Surigao del Sur, Surigao del Norte and Davao Oriental. Associated hazard, flooding is possible in low-lying areas and landslide in mountainous areas. Meanwhile, light to moderate rains are expected over Misamis Occidental, Lopez Haina, Sapang Dalaga, Baliangao, Calamba, Aloran, Panaon, Zamboanga del Norte, Dipolog City, Katipunan, Pres, Manuela, Rojas, Polanco, Pia Dagdagan o Bawasan-an, Lanao del Norte, Maigo, and Dinagat Islands within the next 2 hanggang 3 hours. Moderate to occasionally heavy rains affecting Zamboanga del Norte, Rizal, Sibutad, Dapitan City, and Misamis Occidental, Oroquieta City, which may persist within 2 hanggang 3 hours and may affect nearby areas. Visayas Rainfall Advisory. Weather System, Tropical Depression Queribif. Wednesday, December 18, 2024. Light to moderate with at times heavy rains are expected over Leyte, Burauen, Albuera, Baybay City, Mahaplag, Inopacan, Hindang, Hilongos, Bato, Matalom, Southern Leyte, Sogod, Bontoc, Tomas Opos, Libagon, Maasin City, Malitbog, Padre Burgos, Macrohon, Limasawa, San Francisco, Liluan, San Ricardo, Pintuyan, and nearby areas. Within 2 to 3 hours, the above conditions are being experienced in eastern Samar, Biliran, southern Leyte, Silago, Hinunangan, Hinundayan, Anahawan, San Juan, St. Bernard, Leyte, Alang-alang, Babatngon, Barugu, Kalubian, Capoocan, Carigara, Dagami, Isabel, Haro, Cananga, Leyte, Matag-og, Merida, Ormoc City, Palo, Palumpon, Pastrana, San Isidro, San Miguel, Santa Fe, Tabango, Tabon-Tabon, Tacloban City, Tanawan, Tolosa, Tunga, Villaba, Abuyog, Javier, MacArthur, Mayorga, La Paz, Julita, Dulag, which may persist within 2 to 3 hours and may affect nearby areas. Manatiling nakatutok sa weather balita para sa bago pang updates. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.